Hello everyone, today we will discuss a problem which most of the people working in India face, whether they are working in the accountancy field or the finance field or in most of the fields. Let me put it this way. The problem is when you are using Excel and you type a very big number, say for example this one followed by so many zeros, I have not even counted honestly, and you want to convert it into the Indian format, which is lakhs and crores and not into millions and billions. You think that by selecting the row or the particular cell and going and clicking on the comma above will solve the problem, only to realize that it has actually made it into 3, 3, 3, the number. So in this case it is 1 billion. What you wanted was something in Indian format, and then you start counting ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and then 100 crore. Okay, so this is 100 crore, but here it was showing as 1 billion. So what is the easiest solution for this and what is the permanent fix for this? Well, if you want to watch this, keep watching this video till the end. Welcome back. Now let me show you a quick way of doing it. A quick way of doing it is I will leave a custom format in the description box below. You can copy that and always use it. And what you need to do is you need to simply go and select either the cell or the column or the entire sheet, depending upon where all you want to change the format. Right click, go on format cells. In format cells, you will go to custom. In custom, remove this general or whatever is coming on your screen and paste the format which I have left in the description box below over here. I'm pressing Ctrl V and click on OK. As you can see, now everything has changed to the Indian format. The first figure being 12 crores 34 lakhs 56,654, the second being 1 crore, and the next being 100 crore. Well, this was an easy fix which will work only in this particular worksheet because you have changed the custom format for this particular worksheet. So what is the best way to change it in all the sheets that you work in your system? Let me show you. What you need to do is you need to go to control panel by clicking the window key, and in here you will see there is an option of clock and region, and now you can see there is another option which says region, change date, time or number formats. Let me click here. You need to go and click on the additional settings over here. In here you need to change a couple of things. One is the digit grouping over here, and then also the currency. So as you can see, currently it is showing in millions, 123, 456, 789. You want to come and change the digit grouping here. Select on the drop down, and from here select the last one which says 12, 34, 56, 789. As soon as you click apply, you will see this format has changed. Now it is 12, 34, 56, 789 as we need it in India. Now this is one part, this is for the numbers, but you should also go and change it in the currency tab here, because as you can see in the currency it is still showing 123, 456, 789. So again you just want to go and change the digit grouping over here, this one. So let me go and select 12, 34, 56, 789 and hit apply. As soon as I hit apply, you can see it is showing the rupee symbol and then 12, 34, 56, 789. Now you just need to click on OK. So just to recap, you have changed the digit grouping in the numbers and the currency format and clicked on apply and then OK. And next time you open your Excel workbook, by default, whenever you go and press the comma, it will change to the Indian format, which is in crores and lakhs and thousands and rupees and not billions and millions. Well friends, I hope it will solve a lot of problem for you, especially if you are working in a company in India or you are working in an Indian company abroad and you want the figures to be in thousands and lakhs and crores and not millions and billions. Well, if you liked what I showed you, please click like below because it really motivates me seeing that people liked my video. And also if you have not yet subscribed, click on the red button below and also the bell icon, because whenever you click the bell icon, YouTube sends you the notification for all my videos when I upload them, and you can be the first months to watch them. Well friends, do support my channel by sharing this with your friends and family on Facebook, Insta and other social platforms, because when I publish these videos on YouTube, I don't earn anything out of it except your respect and some helpful comments, and I really appreciate all the good comments. And if there is any other topic which you want to be covered on my channel, please leave them in the comment below or send me an email on the email ID which is currently being displayed on your screen. I will also leave my email ID in the description box below. Well friends, thanks a lot for watching this till now. Take care. Bye bye.